Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 tutorial how to add an arrow to a line. So as example, I will create line, and the next if you want to add arrow in this endpoint, you can type leader, press enter, click from endpoint, and then I will click in this point to apply. Now you can press enter and then enter again, choose none. So we create the arrow here. You also can explode this arrow, type explode, and then click the arrow object. Now we can delete the line in here. To scale the arrow, you can type scale and select the arrow. Now we can click from middle point here to resize the arrow. Click to apply. So that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to add an arrow to a line.